Good morning, everyone. Our topic for today is lesson 3-4. Multiply whole numbers with zeros. So you will find this lesson on page 131 up to page 134 from your book. Here is the learning objective for today's lesson. Use knowledge about place value and multiplying with 2-digit and 3-digit numbers to multiply zeros. Let's analyze this problem. A school district is replacing all of the desks in its classrooms. There are 103 classrooms and each classroom needs 24 new desks. So how many desks will the school district need to buy? So what are we going to do is we just simply multiply 103 multiplied by 24. So look at David's work. David used the standard algorithm to find the answer. So 4 multiplied by 3 is 12. So 2, regroup 1. Then 4 multiplied by 0 is 0. Always remember that any number multiplied by 0 is 0. So 4 multiplied by 0 is 0 plus 1, that is 1. Then 4 times 1 is 4. So the first partial product is 412. Then, before multiplying the tens place, I need to put 0 first. Because when you multiply the tens place, the first answer must be in the tens place. So 2 times 3 is 6, 2 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 1 is 2. Then add. 2 plus 0 is 2, 1 plus 6 is 7, 4 plus 0 is 4, then bring down 2. So there are 2,472. Look at Kelly's work. As you can see, Kelly breaks the 3-digit factor apart. This 103, he breaks into 100 plus 3, then multiply into 24. So 100 multiplied by 24 is 2,400. 3 multiplied by 24 is 72. Then he added the partial product 2,400 plus 72. So the answer is 2,472. How can you multiply with zeros? An antique stream train makes one sightseeing tour each day. If every seat is filled for each trip, how many passengers can it carry for 31 tours? Always remember that the train has a total of 208 seats. So what are we going to do is just simply multiply 31 multiplied by 208 or 208 multiplied by 31. Okay? So the first step is I'm going to estimate first in order as my guide in order to find out later if my answer is reasonable or not. So 31 becomes 30 and 208 becomes 200. So 30 multiplied by 200 is 6,000. So my first answer or my estimated answer is 6,000. So the final answer must be nearest to 6,000. Then step 2, I'm going to multiply the ones. 1 multiplied by 8 is 8, 1 by 0 is 0, and 1 by 2 is 2. Then after that, I need to put 0 before multiplying the tens. 3 times 8 is 24, so 4 regroup 2. 3 times 0 is 0, plus 2, we have 2, and 3 times 2 is 6. Then add 8 plus 0 is 8, 0 plus 4 is 4, 2 plus 2 is 4, then bring down 6. So there are 6,448 passengers. Now, the guided practice. In an auditorium, there are 104 rows with 24 seats in each row. How many seats are available? So if I'm going to use the standard algorithm, 104 multiplied by 24. So 4 multiplied by 4 is 16, the group 1. 4 multiplied by 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. And 4 multiplied by 1 is 4. Then before multiplying the tens place, I need to put 0 in the ones place. So 2 times 4 is 8, 2 times 0 is 0, and 2 times 1 is 2. Then add, this becomes 6, 9, 4, and 2. So 2,496 is the correct answer. Why is it important to estimate to check for reasonableness? Because estimating tells you that your answer makes sense. Number 3, you need to multiply to find the product and estimate to check for reasonableness. So if I'm going to estimate 205, this becomes 200, and 23 is nearest to 20. Then 2 times 2 is 4, then I have 3 zeros. So my estimated answer is 4,000. So the exact answer must be nearest to 4,000. Now, let's multiply. 3 times 5 is 15 using the standard algorithm, regroup 1. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 3 times 2 is 6. Then we need to add 0. 2 times 5 is 10. 0 regroup 1. 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. 2 times 2 is 4. So this becomes 5, 1, 7, and 4. So the answer is 4,715, which is nearest to 4,000. So my answer is reasonable. Okay. Number 4, 108 multiplied by 34. 4 multiplied by 8 is 32, regroup 3. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 3 is 3. 4 times 1 is 4. Then add 0. 3 times 8 is 24, so 4 regroup 2. 3 times 0 is 0 plus 2 is 2. And 3 times 1 is 3. Then add 2, 7, 6, 3. So the answer is 3,672. Next, let's proceed to question number 5. 4 times 0 is 0, 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 4 is 16. Then I need to put 0. So since they are the same, I'll just copy 0, 4, 6, and 1. Then add 0, 4, 10 regroup 1. This is 8 and 1. So the answer is 18,040. Number 6. Oh, I told you if the 0 is at the end, you need to cancel and put it into the product. Okay, so 3 times 2 is 6, 3 times 0 is 0, and 3 times 3 is 9. So the answer is 9,060. Now it's your turn. Pause the video and answer the given questions. Time is up. So the answers are 5,134, 13,984, 5,123, 36,720, 31,570, 12,627, 6,264, 38,885, 15,873, 18,480, 2,520, and 17,280. So let's proceed to mathematical practices and problem solving. Number 19. There are 27 students in Mr. Mello's class. Find the total number of pages the students read by the end of November. So if I'm going to add all the number of pages, this becomes 18 with group 1, 3, 6, 9, 10. So the answer is 108 pages. So 108 pages at the end of November, then I'm going to multiply by 27. 7 multiplied by 8 is 56 with group 5. 7 times 0 is 0 plus 5 is 5. 7 times 1 is 7. Then I need to add 0 before multiplying the second digit. 2 times 8 is 16, regroup 1. 2 times 0, 2 times 0 is 0 plus 1 is 1. Then 2 times 1 is 2. Then add, this becomes 6, 11 regroup 1. This becomes 9 and 2. So the answer is 2,916. Number 20. Each student read 41 pages in November. So there is another 41 pages in November. Okay, so if I'm going to add 41 for the December, this is 18, 19, regroup 1, so 9, 10, 14, so 149. Then if there are 27 students, I'll just simply multiply 9 by 7 is 63, regroup 6, 7 times 4 is 28 plus 6 is 34, regroup 3, 7 times 1 is 7 plus 3 is 10, then add 0. 2 times 9 is 18, regroup 1. 2 times 4 is 8 plus 1 is 9. 2 times 1 is 2. Then this is 3. 12, regroup 1. This is 10, regroup 1. So the answer is 4,023 pages. Number 21. Meredith says that 15.17 is greater than 15.8 because 17 is greater than 8. Do you agree? The answer is disagree. because both numbers have the same number of tens and ones. But 5.17 has only one tenth and 15.8 has 8 tenths. So 15.17 is less than 15.8. Number 22. Trudy wants to multiply 66 multiplied by 606. Then she says that all she has to do is to find 6 multiplied by 606 and then double that number. Explain why Trudy's method will not give the correct answer. Then show how to find the correct product. So the answer is multiplying by 6 and then doubling the product is the same as multiplying by 12, not by 66. So 606 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 2, so the final product is 7,272 if we're going to double it. But 606 multiplied by 66, the answer must be 39,996. Number 23. Maria needs a trombone for only 12 months. Renting the trombone costs $34 per month. She can buy the trombone for $495. Should she buy or rent the trombone? Of course, the answer is rent. Why renting? Because since she needs the trombone for only 12 months, the total cost will be 12 multiplied by 34, that is $408, and $408 is less than the money that she needs to pay, which is 495 if she can buy the trombone. So much better to rent so that she can save money. 24. Another music store rents trombone for $30 per month, plus a yearly fee of $48. So which deal is better? Should Maria change her rental plan? So the answer is no. Why? Because the total rental costs are equal. The $48 yearly fee accounts for $4 saved each month. So if we're going to multiply 30 by 12, then add the yearly fee, which is 48, the answer is the same as $408 for rental. 25. What are two partial products you would add to find 41 multiplied by 709? So write those partial products in the box. So 41 multiplied by 709 should be 709, and we have 28,360. Why? Because 709 multiplied by 41, so 1 times 9 is 9, 1 times 0 is 0, and 1 times 7 is 7. So the first partial product is 709. And we need to put 0. 4 times 9 is 36 to the group 3. 4 times 0 is 0 plus 3 is 3. Then 4 times 7 is 28. So 28,360. Those are the partial products. So that's it. Thank you so much and have a good day.